Group of Forces engaged the AFU units close to Ugledar and Prechistovka, and Zolotaya Niva. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In Donetsk direction, the Russian troops supported by artillery of the Yug Group of Forces eliminated more than 220 Ukrainian troops, an infantry fighting vehicle, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 7 motor vehicles, and AD-30 howitzer. In South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, artillery of the Vostok Group of Forces engaged the AFU units close to Ugledar and Prechistovka, and Zolotaya Niva, Donetsk People's Republic. 3 sabotage and reconnaissance groups were also neutralized close to Novomikhaylovka, Donetsk People's Republic, and Levadnoye and Marfopol, Zaporozhye region. More than 50 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 3 motor vehicles, and AD-30 howitzer have been destroyed during the day in these areas. In total, 400 airplanes and 220 helicopters, 3,385 unmanned aerial vehicles, 411 air defense missile systems, 8,275 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,055 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,326 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 8,879 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Ці групи, вони розосереджені, як я сказав, їх сотні, тому насичуючи нашу систему протиповітряної оборони такими групами, ми піднімаємо їх ефективність. Ось у такий спосіб ми досягаємо.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!